It's only been a few days since it started snowing. The snow that has fallen is getting thicker. I like the effect of the snow on the fence. It gives the appearance of a solid white fence, but in reality, it is not. The cars are parked outside because I am cleaning and organizing the garage. Both of our cars are now covered with snow. There's about 4 to 6 inches of snow covering this car. This is our winter life in Winnipeg. If you need to go out on a snowy day and your car is parked outside, cleaning the snow off your windshields and windows is necessary before driving away. It is also advisable to warm your car before driving, especially if the temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius. This makes driving more comfortable and is easier on your car's engine. Every first snowfall of the year, expect heavy traffic. Drivers are driving slower than usual, reacquainting themselves with the icy surface of the road. You will see more accidents, stalled cars, and possibly wiped out cars. The snow has finally stopped. The roads and sidewalks are now slushy due to the melted snow. While the roads are not as slippery, exercising caution and practicing defensive driving remain crucial, especially during winter. So, please drive carefully. Most cars, especially SUVs being sold nowadays, are equipped with all-season tires. But when October comes, some people opt to change their tires to winter tires, which are a lot safer to drive in extreme winter conditions like what we have here in Winnipeg. All-season tires are made to work well in different driving situations all year. They're good for wet and dry roads and even in a bit of snow. These tires usually have a tread pattern that mixes features from both summer and winter tires, so they can do okay in different situations. But when it's really snowy and icy, especially in severe winter conditions like in Winnipeg, they might not grip as well as tires made just for winter. Remember, while all-season tires can handle a lot, they might not be the best in really tough situations compared to special tires made for those conditions. Winter tires, also called snow tires, are made for cold, icy, and snowy weather, which happens a lot in Winnipeg. They are created to give better grip, control, and braking in winter compared to all-season or summer tires. They have a special tread pattern with deeper grooves and more sipes than all-season or summer tires. Sipes are tiny cuts in tires. This design helps the tire grip onto snow and ice, giving better control. The rubber used in winter tires is made to stay flexible even in super cold temperatures, making it easier to drive in winter. In simple terms, it makes the tire work better in winter conditions. Winter tires work best when it's colder than 45 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 7 degrees Celsius. They aren't good for warm or hot weather because the softer rubber can wear out faster in higher temperatures. After winter is over, those people who changed their tires to winter tires in October will switch back to their all-season or summer tires. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and feel free to share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated for new videos. Again, thank you and see you next time.